Welcome back to CARSJADE, where we keep it chill but informative. Today we're exploring the 2026 Audi A5 TFSI Quattro, a bold redesign of Audi's compact sedan that replaces the A4 nameplate. Think sleek sedan meets hatchback in one refined package. Audi flipped the script. The new A5 replaces the old A4, embracing odd numbers for ICE cars and even numbers for EVs. The 2026 A5 sedan is technically a liftback, giving it SUV-style cargo flexibility while keeping sporty lines. It's longer, wider, and more practical than the previous generation A4. Visually, the A5 blends elegance and utility. The fastback silhouette ends in a power liftgate, while slim LED headlights and a wider grille give it a bold front presence. Compared to the old A4, it's about 2.6 inches longer, 0.5 inches wider, and offers a 2.7-inch longer wheelbase, improving rear seat space and overall proportion. Europe and other markets also get the Avant station wagon and Sportback body styles. North America will offer the liftback sedan only. Step inside, and you're greeted by Audi's futuristic cabin layout. A 14.5-inch OLED infotainment screen paired with an 11.9-inch virtual cockpit, and a third 10.9-inch passenger display. The head-up display is more dynamic, and the system even includes a natural speech AI assistant powered by ChatGPT to anticipate your needs. Cargo capacity is generous. 15.7 cubic feet with rear seats up, and up to 45.9 cubic feet with them folded down. More practical than the traditional A4 trunk. Safety tech includes adaptive cruise, active front assist with cross-traffic and evasion assist, automated parking, and optional night vision assistant in higher trims. Under the hood sits a 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4 TFSI engine, delivering around 268 horsepower paired with Quattro AWD and a 7-speed S-tronic dual-clutch gearbox. Customers in Europe can choose mild hybrid variants with 150 or 204 PS. And there's also a plug-in hybrid e-hybrid Quattro version offering up to 295 horsepower and electric-only driving with AWD. Top-tier models like the S5 upgrade to a 3.0-liter V6 producing about 367 PS. Expect 0 to 62 miles per hour in 5.9 seconds for the e-hybrid Quattro and 2.0 TFSI Quattro in roughly 7.6 to 7.8 seconds. The new A5 debuted in mid-2024 and entered the US market in spring 2025. For the 2026 model year, Audi confirmed minimal changes. Just colors, trims, and available mild hybrid options in select regions. Pricing in the US is expected to start around the previous A4 level, roughly $43,000 to $44,000, but with added value from the liftback design and updated tech. In markets like Australia, the A5 starts at about $79,900 Australian dollars, with plug-in hybrid Quattro models likely above $115,000 Australian dollars. The 2026 Audi A5 TFSI Quattro is not just an A4 with a new badge. It's a thoughtful redesign that blends coupe-like styling, hatchback practicality, Quattro all-wheel drive, advanced tech, and fresh cabin luxury. Whether you want sporty performance or functional daily utility, it does both with finesse. That's our chill deep dive into the 2026 Audi A5 TFSI Quattro. If you're into sporty sedans with hatchback convenience and high-tech interiors, consider this your next test drive. If you enjoyed this breakdown, smash the like button, tap the bell, and subscribe to CARSJADE for more relaxed car insights. Would you go for the e-hybrid Quattro or stick with the petrol TFSI? Let me know in the comments below. Until next time, drive smart, stay curious, and see you next ride.